Hi there, I'm Meyer-Ingham. Welcome to your private mountain retreat located in Woodland, Utah, where life is a little sweeter and a lot more quiet. Nestled on 5 acres within a gated community, this fully self-sustaining property offers breathtaking views of the Camas Valley and a lifestyle centered around adventure, tranquility, and connection to the outdoors. Bring your horse, your ATV, your fly rod, and your favorite book. Enjoy world-class fishing on the Provo River or experience some of Utah's best snowmobiling just minutes from your doorstep. The thoughtfully updated 3-bedroom, 2-bath cabin features a newly renovated kitchen, a comfortable finished basement with a pellet stove, and significant infrastructure upgrades including solar power, a private well, septic system, generator, and inverter. Fresh exterior staining and rebuilt decks create the perfect setting to relax and take in the incredible scenery. Whether you're looking for a full-time residence or a weekend escape, this is a place where every season brings a new adventure and every day begins with a view you'll never forget. Thank you so much for touring this magnificent property with me today. For more information or to schedule your personal tour, reach out to me by phone. I look forward to hearing from you soon.